All right, we're drilling a 2-inch hole, masonry drill bit, 4¼ inches deep. I'm using a Relton cutter head, and that is a part number S as in Sam, B as in boy, dash 32 2-inch, and I'm using the Relton shank, an SMX-10, and then we're using Hilti adhesive, which is the HY200-AB3. So we're drilling the hole. We're going to get to that 4¼ inch depth. And once we get there, right now we're just blowing as we go to keep the dust away from our nose, basically. And we don't want that going on. And the whole install, drilling that hole with a drill bit, is about 2 minutes, maybe a little less than that. So right now we're going to that 4¼ inch, and we're pretty close. We're making a gauge right now, so you don't have to use a tape measure. So that's on the menu for September. Then what we're going to do is we're going to blow it out. We're going to clean it up. Some guys like to brush it. I haven't seen a big difference in brushing it, but some people, they think the brushing makes a difference. So if you're going for the full enchilada, I would probably brush it as well. So we're going to blow it, brush it. We're going to fill it up with the epoxy. Again, that is that Hilti HY200-A as in Apple, V as in Victor 3. We're going to fill that up 2 inches from the top. And this is like really important. You don't want to overfill the hole. I've had guys say, oh, I used a lot of epoxy in there. No good. Because what happens is that epoxy gets out past the glue guard. There's a white glue guard on the anchor that goes in the ground. And next thing you know, you've got this big gob of goop hanging out that you got to get rid of. You can't have a big gob of goop there. It'll hold the part off the road surface. So there's our anchor. You see the white glue guard on there? That glue guard is saying if you've got glue gooping out all over the place, you put too much in there. Step on it, hold it in there, and now what we're going to do is we're going to wait for it to cure. Once cured, we're ready to install. Once we have a cured anchor, we're going to take the bollard. We're simply going to screw it down onto the anchor, the existing anchor. We're going to take the bolt out, so now we have access to the hole. We're going to screw the anchor from the bollard down into the part. We're going to grab the part by the top and twist it until it's tight against the road surface. You don't need to use a wrench to tighten it super tight. Just get it tight against the road surface and you're good to go.